Now question is, an object is thrown vertically upward and rises to a height. So we are throwing object which is vertically upward and rises 10 meter. Okay. Calculate the velocity with which the object was thrown upward. So here initial velocity, right? With what velocity we are throwing, that we have to find. And the second one, the time taken by the object to reach the highest point. So timing also that we need to find. So t, right, that we need to find. And c, at the maximum height we know that velocity always 0. Okay, so with the help of this all the terms we will find. See, always gravitational acceleration will be 10. So g is equal to 10 meter second to inverse. Okay, so we can apply first equation of motion, which is v is equal to u plus gt. Now see, object we are throwing upward. Now object is in motion in upward direction and acceleration is in downward direction, right? So what we have to do, we have to put here v is equal to u minus gt, because here motion and gravitational acceleration both are opposite with each other. So what is v? V is 0. U that we need to find minus 10 into t. We don't have t, right? So here I must apply second equation of motion, which is s is equal to ut. Again we don't have u and t also, so compulsory I have to apply third equation of motion. So third equation of motion tells v square minus u square is equal to 2 gs, right? Now what is v? V is 0, so put here 0 minus u square that we need to find is equal to 2 into minus 10 into distance, that is 10, right? So minus minus gets cancelled out, u square is equal to, we are left with 200. Now 200, so how we will get 200? Approximately u is equal to, we can write under root 200, and this is in meter, right? So meter second inverse, that is our initial speed. Now time taken by that object to reach the highest point. So now timing, for timing we can put timing in this equation what we derived, right? So 0 is equal to under root 200 minus 10 into t, right? So 10 into t subject, so I am just rubbing this screen and then new screen comes. So see, yes, so now here we have 10t is equal to under root 200, right? So t is equal to under root 200 upon 10, right? So see, if we square both the sides, so t square is equal to 200 upon 100. 0 0 gets cancelled out, we are left with t, so t is equal to under root 2, that is in second. So t is equal to 1.41 second, because under root 2 answer is 1.41 second. So this is our final answer. This is the time taken by the object to reach the highest point.